Wherever you ride, Edge 130 tracks how far, how fast, and even how high you've gone. In this video, we'll introduce you to some of the device's most helpful navigation features. You can use the Course Creator from Garmin Connect to easily plan and download courses for your next ride. These courses use our popularity routing algorithms, so you'll be routed to the most popular cycling routes. To get started, access Garmin Connect on your desktop if you want to plan a course in detail, or make adjustments to an existing course, or if you want to import a course from a third-party platform like Strava. Open the Garmin Connect mobile app if your course is already created, or if you want to plan something on the fly. Tap More. Then, Courses. Tap the plus sign to create a new course, or the magnifying glass to search for one. When you're done creating a course, or if you found one you like, tap the icon in the top right corner to send the course to your device. The course will transfer wirelessly to your Edge 130. You'll be notified when the download is complete. Then, on your Edge, press and hold the button on the top right side. Select Navigation. Then, Courses. You'll be able to see the map overview as well as the elevation profile of the courses on your Edge. Select one. Then select Ride. As you ride, you'll receive turn prompts at all key points along the course. Keep in mind, you can assign a data field on your Edge to show the distance until your next turn. That way you'll always know what's coming up next. Edge 130 also lets you navigate back to start at any point during your ride. Just press the pause button and select Back to Start. Then you'll select whether you want to head back to your starting point along the same route you've been riding, or simply in a straight line. Press the Start button to resume your ride. The device will navigate you back to the starting point. Wherever you ride, Edge 130 provides a helpful breadcrumb map. Not only does it show you where to ride next, it also shows you where you've been. Just press the button to scroll down through the page loop while you're riding. And if you go off course at any point, you'll get an alert on your Edge so you can quickly view the map and find your way back. That's all for now. To learn more about Edge 130, check out the other videos in this series.